Stay organized and smart with accessories that simplify your daily routine and keep essentials within easy reach, whether at work, travel, or home. Today, we're going over the best detachable keychain from our top picks: durability, quick release convenience, performance for keys, making everyday carry easier, more efficient. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. TISUR Titanium Detachable Keychain. The TISUR Titanium Detachable Keychain is designed for people who value durability, convenience, and smart everyday carry solutions. Crafted from high-quality titanium alloy, this keychain feels solid, yet remains impressively lightweight, making it comfortable for daily use without adding bulk to your pocket or bag. The standout feature is its magnetic quick-release mechanism, which allows you to detach your keys instantly by pressing the button and pulling apart the connector. Reattaching is just as effortless. Simply bring the two ends close together and they automatically align, lock, and secure themselves with a satisfying snap. What truly sets this keychain apart is its double security system. The combination of strong magnetic force and dual locking buttons ensures your keys stay safely connected, even if the button is accidentally brushed. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 40 pounds, it confidently handles heavy key sets, tools, or EDC accessories. The 360-degree rotating connector further enhances usability by preventing tangles and allowing keys or attached tools to move freely. Number 2. FEGVE Magnetic Detachable Keychain. The FEGVE Magnetic Detachable Keychain offers a compact yet highly secure solution for everyday key management, blending modern engineering with minimalist design. Detaching the keychain is simple and intuitive. Press the dual buttons and gently pull apart, allowing the strong magnetic attraction to disengage smoothly. When brought back together, the sub-buckle and main buckle instantly lock in place, ensuring quick reconnection even when you're on the move. One of the most impressive aspects of this keychain is its triple anti-fall design. By combining dual magnetic suction, double pressing points, and a double-pin locking mechanism, FEGVE significantly reduces the risk of accidental drops, offering peace of mind for daily carry. Despite its robust locking system, the keychain remains ultra-lightweight at just 0.32 ounces, making it barely noticeable in your pocket. Precision CNC titanium cutting ensures strength and durability, while its compact dimensions allow it to comfortably support loads of up to 20 to 30 pounds. The 360-degree rotatable EDC connector prevents twisting and tangling, no matter what items you attach. This makes it ideal for car keys, home keys, or small gear you need quick access to. Number 3. EVERKI Leather Detachable Keychain. The EVERKI Leather Detachable Keychain stands out with its elegant blend of premium materials and everyday practicality, making it an excellent choice for professionals and travelers alike. Featuring an original FIDLOCK magnetic closure, this keychain allows effortless one-handed detachment and reattachment, providing fast and reliable access to your keys whenever you need them. The magnetic mechanism feels smooth and secure, offering confidence without complicated clodges. Designed with modularity in mind, it integrates seamlessly with EVERKI bags that feature internal loops or keychain holders, creating a streamlined and organized carry experience. Even if you don't own an EVERKI bag, its universal magnetic dock ensures compatibility with most backpacks, handbags, or belt loops that use standard webbing. Built from high-grade genuine leather, the keychain delivers a refined look that complements both casual and professional settings, while maintaining durability for daily use. The premium materials are designed to withstand frequent handling, commuting, and travel demands without losing their appeal. Beyond functionality, the EVERKI Leather Detachable Keychain also excels as a gift option. Number 4. TISUR Magnetic Detachable Keychain. The TISUR Magnetic Detachable Keychain is a compact yet powerful everyday care accessory designed for efficiency and safety. Using a magnetic quick-release system, it allows users to detach their keys by simply pressing and holding the locking button and pulling the connector apart. Reattachment is instant. Bringing the two ends together automatically aligns and locks them securely. Despite its mini size, measuring just 1.15 by 0.51 inches, this keychain offers impressive strength, supporting up to 20 pounds thanks to its TISUR 4V titanium construction. The dual security system ensures that accidental separation is highly unlikely, as both the locking button and magnetic mechanism must work together for release. This thoughtful design makes it especially reliable for daily use.
The 360-degree rotating connector prevents keys from tangling, allowing smooth and natural movement during use. Its versatility adds to its appeal, as it can organize car and house keys or be used to carry USB drives, cards, or small EDC gadgets. The package includes multiple titanium keyrings, enhancing overall value.
Number 5. TEC Python Detachable Keychain. The TEC Python Detachable Keychain is engineered for users who prioritize reliability, strength, and simplicity in their everyday carry gear. Featuring the Python QR quick release interface, this miniature yet secure clip allows effortless attachment and detachment from keychains, bags, or other gear connection points. The design emphasizes foolproof functionality, ensuring that once locked, the connection will not accidentally disengage. Made from grade 5 titanium, the keychain delivers exceptional durability while remaining lightweight and comfortable for daily use. Its solid construction inspires confidence, whether you're carrying keys, small tools, or essential accessories. The positive locking mechanism ensures intentional release only, eliminating the frustration and risk associated with weaker clips. Versatility is another strong point, as the TEC Python can be used to connect multiple pieces of gear, making it suitable for urban commuting, travel, or outdoor activities. That wraps up the top 5 best detachable keychain. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.